kids. Today I thought I'd read you a little bit more from our Ocean IQ book. I don't think we've read all the pages in here yet. So we read about dolphins and whales. This is a fun book because it's pop-up. But I don't think we read about spikes and stings, so let's read this page. Some sea creatures have painful ways of defending themselves or catching prey. Jellyfish float in the sea, moving along with the wind and current. They use their long stinging tentacles to kill small fish and other creatures to eat. A porcupine fish. When this unusual fish is threatened, it gulps water into its mouth and inflates itself into a ball of sharp spikes. This makes the porcupine fish look much less tasty to a big hungry predator. And the lionfish. The lionfish's body is covered with long poisonous spines. The poison is very powerful and would-be predators get a very nasty sting. The most poisonous sea creature in the world is the box jellyfish or the sea wasp. Tropical fish. The world's tropical oceans and reefs are home to some beautiful, colorful fish. The clownfish are found in tropical areas of the Pacific Ocean. They live inside sea anemones whose poisonous tentacles help keep predators away. Angelfish. These reef fish are famously brave and will often approach divers to be photographed. That's these guys. A quarter of all the world's types of fish live in coral reefs. Some types of fish live in large groups called schools. Staying in large numbers help to keep them safe from predators. Weird and wonderful. Seas and oceans are homes to some odd-looking creatures with strange habits. Sea stars are animals that live on rocks and the seafloor. They eat as they move slowly along, using the hundreds of tiny feet beneath each of their arms. Seahorses are very unusual fish. They are covered in armored plates and can change their color to hide from predators. Crabs have 10 legs and can walk sideways. 2 legs at the front have large pincers at the end. Crabs live mainly in the sea, but they can also walk on land. Octopuses have 8 arms with rows of suction cups. To confuse their predators, octopuses can squirt a cloud of ink in which they hide or disappear. And I think we already read about sharks on another day. So today you get to make your own sea star picture. Sea stars use their arms to move around to catch food. They can wrap their arms around a clam and pull the shell apart to get the animal out and eat it. And the cool thing about starfish is, or sea stars, are that if they lose an arm, it will grow back. So that's cool. Here's a picture of a real sea star. And there's lots of different kinds of sea stars. So some are long and thin arms, some have fatter arms. They're different color sea stars. So you can make your sea star picture however you choose. You have a purple background paper and a yellow sea star. So you're going to start by just gluing that onto your paper. And then think about how you want to decorate your sea star. Do you want to bring your sea star to life and add eyes and a nose and a mouth? Do you want it to look like a realistic sea star, like this one, with lots of bumps? Do you want to make yours colorful, or do you want to make yours all one color? It's up to you. Have fun with your sea star project, and I hope that you will really enjoy it. I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.